if you submitted an application for the DV 2025 program between October 2023 and November 2023, and you have forgotten your confirmation number, this video is for you. Even if you haven't forgotten your confirmation number and you know people that may have submitted an entry or you are planning to submit an entry, guys, I'm going to share with you how you can retrieve a lost confirmation number, because the confirmation number is one of the most important things that you need to be able to check your results come May 4th, 2024. The results are going to be released at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be 6 p.m. Eastern Time in Ghana. The other countries, you can see it listed on your screen: Kenya, Uganda, Egypt, Algeria, South Africa. You can see all of it listed. So just convert the 12 p.m. Eastern Time to your local time. And when the results are released, guys, do not be in a haste or a hurry to check it. You can check it. Try to check it as early as possible to know that if you get selected, then you can ensure that you go ahead to complete all the forms, the DS-260 form, as quickly as possible to ensure that you get an interview date. So if you lose your confirmation number, please know that the only way you can retrieve it is if you have access to the email. If you have access to the original email that you used when submitting an entry, right? If an agent completed the DV lottery on your behalf and they have used their email, then unfortunately there's no way that you'll be able to access it. That is why we encourage you not to use an agent when it comes to the DV lottery, because this is where it becomes tricky. They get your information and then they are kind of blackmailing you with your own information, something that you have won for yourself. Now they are going to ask you to pay a lot of money for you to get access to your own results. So if you don't have access to that email, then unfortunately you will not be able to check. But if you have access to that email, guys, let's go to Google together and let's see how you can retrieve your confirmation number following these simple steps. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your laptop, you can do it on your tablet or an iPad. It's very easy. So you just have to follow these instructions. Make sure you bookmark this video or save this video and come back to it later on. If you are doing it, you can put it side by side and watch and see how you can retrieve your confirmation number if you have forgotten it. Let's go to Google. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So once you go to Google, just type in dvprogram.state.gov, right? dvprogram.state.gov. And if you don't have this email, this link, I'm going to put it in the description section of the video so that you can access it. And look at the very first link that says electronic diversity visa, and the website should read dvprogram.state.gov. That is the official email. That's the only place that you can check your results. That is the only place that you can also submit an entry. Now it is closed for submission of entries, and we can use it to check our results. But the DV 2025, you need to wait until May 4th, because if you check it right now, you're going to get an error message. So click on it, and then it's going to bring you to this page. You see DV 2025 entrants may enter their confirmation information through the link below, starting at noon Eastern Standard Time on May 4th, 2024. The DV 2025 registration period opened from October 4th, 2023 and closed on November 7th, 2023, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So you should keep your confirmation number until at least September 30, 2025. That is because once they open it up, you need to have that confirmation number, because it's going to be open until, you need to make sure that by September 30th, 2025, if you were selected, you should have had your visa by then. So you click on check status, guys, very important. Click on check status and you're going to hit continue. Like I said, at this point, the DV 2025 is no longer available. the DV 2023, the 2024 is available to check. And to check, you need your confirmation number, you need your last name, the year of birth, and you need an authenticator. So you need to have all these. Or the authenticator, it's not something that you have to write it down. Every time you log in, it's going to give you a new one. So these three things: confirmation number, last name and first name, year of birth, and then the authentication number. You hit submit, it's going to give you a feedback. But that is not what we are looking at today. Today, we want to look at how we get our confirmation number. So check on your screen, right? It says forgot confirmation number. Forgot confirmation number. Please click on it, and it will ask you to select the diversity program year you want to check. We don't want 2024, we want 2025. So we can put it in 2025, and let's see. So it is not valid now, right? Let's see 2023, right? So 2023 maybe is there, or 2025, but it says select a valid year. So on May 4th, you'll be able to do this. So keep these steps, please. Keep these steps, right? So you can, if it's 2024, by May 4th, it's going to change, or you have the 2025 being eligible. So you're going to put in your name, right? You're going to put in your last name, right? Just go ahead and put in your last name. Put in your first name and middle name if you have one. And make sure you put in a date of birth, right? You go ahead and put in your date of birth, your date of birth, whichever year you were born. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes, so this is not my birthday. And you go ahead and put in your email address. So put in your email address. Again, using this one for demonstration purposes. Right, put in the email address that you use when you are submitting your entry. Please don't forget that your email address. And you go ahead and hit the authenticator. The authenticator, T8JNA, right? As simple as that. So you said, please enter the code as you see or hear it here. Like I said, very simple. Verify Entrant, and you hit submit. I said information is not valid, right? So please review the email address. So if you don't have access to the original information, you are not going to be able to get. I was using this for demonstration purposes, and I don't want to put anybody's information out there, but it is very simple. The email address you use, the last and first name, follow the instructions, and when you are done, hit submit. If all the details are correct, you will get an information stating that the confirmation number is being sent to your email, and you will be able to have access to it, guys. So follow these simple instructions, and if you have any questions, please use the comment section and let's get connected. All right, so that's it. Very simple. Follow the instructions. Go to the dvlottery.state.gov website. Go to check entry, check your status or entry status. Put in all the information. Click on forgot confirmation number. Follow the instructions on the screen, and make sure you have your email address. If you don't have that email address, then you will not be able to access it. So let us hear from you. What are your expectations? What are you waiting for? What video would you like for us to make regarding the DV lottery? Is there anything particular that is confusing you, or you want more responses or answers to? Use the comment section. Let us know exactly the type of video that you want us to do, and we will be sure to make that video and bring it your way. So until we come your way again next time, stay blessed.